Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you this beautiful vintage window I just got. Picked this up yesterday out of a house that's being renovated, and so this window and a bunch of other ones is the inside part. Outside, love the way it looks. Anyway, this was in a house being renovated, and they had a bunch of windows up in the attic for whatever reason. God knows how long these things have been up there, but I was able to get one, and now I'm going to use it for our vintage videos that we shoot, just like I did one of the other ones. But this one had just love the way the rails and stiles are made on this one. Never seen one like this, but it's got many years of grime, so that's what I'm getting ready to do. Clean this thing off. Not sure if there's any joints that need to be re-glued or anything. Looks pretty good. Like I said, it's been up in the attic. Does have one BB hole. That's sad, but gives it character. Alright, so get to cleaning. Now I got to do some Windex and let it dry out, see if there's any loose joints, but so far it doesn't look like it. Beautiful window, glad I was able to get it.